Hi there pluckers, Ivor Sawfingers again with you with hopefully a very quick lesson. One of my viewers has written in asking for some help with the intro lick to Country Roads by John Denver, which I did a lesson on a little while ago now. It's in the key of A as per John Denver, and there's a little lick that starts off on just after the guitar starts doing that, and it's this. I think that's the lick that's been asked for, okay? I hope it is. So basically what I'm doing there is I'm playing on the 12th fret of the second string, the B string, sliding up to the 14th fret, and then hitting the 12th fret of the top E string. Okay, so there's a bit of a pause and then it repeats that, but then it slides from 12 to 14 on the top E string, then the 14th fret of the second string, and finally the 14th fret of the third string. So it's okay, and that's it. Very short lesson. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope to see you again soon. Bye.